As Peter Drucker once said, things that cannot be measured are things that cannot be improved. So,
All thanks to this awesome man here.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. What I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
I just have been doing a little bit of review of my week, and I've been journaling a bit in my journal, which is there, about how has been my week, because as Peter Drucker once said, things that cannot be measured are things that cannot be improved. So this is one of the tools that I use for super level productivity every single week, every single day, to really create massive superhuman results in my life. People often ask me, Bishal, how do you do all this kind of thing? You are spending 12 to 16 hours a day with your family. When I'm grinding 12 to 16 hours in my office and the traffic, and you're spending that 12 to 16 hours every single day, how do you do that? And how do you also manage all these people, help all these clients, have this great impact, serve so many people, and make a contribution to so many children, feed so many dogs? How do you do that? It's because I have a system. And let me tell you, this video is not about me, it's about you. Because if you'd like to spend more time with your family, that's absolutely possible. Right now, as I'm making this video, I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm not at my home right now. I'm staying in this amazing place, this 5-star amazing great place. I'm here for a treatment with my family, for my brother, right here in Mumbai right now. And I don't know what time it is. I think it's about 9:30 at night. Have been reviewing my week, and everything is going good. So I showed one of those techniques about productivity and a mindset hack, a tool rather, to one of my clients called Mahesh, who actually stays in Maharashtra. I showed him about, as of this recording, about 5 months ago, and what he reported to me is he has tripled his productivity. Think about that. Mahesh has tripled his productivity. So previously, he was spending about 1 hour, 50 minutes to 1 hour a day with his family, with his wife and daughter. Right now, he's spending 3 hours on average per day with his family. How did he do this? He improved not only just to-do list, not only just he learned how to manage time by doing more tasks or removing more tasks, but understanding how the real, what I call the powerful productivity works, how you take control of your time. Because let me tell you, if you are not taking control of your own time, somebody else is taking control of your time. And guess what they're gonna do with your time? They're gonna waste your time, right? Have you ever woken up in the morning, checking email, and you see so many great things, so many emails, and it makes you feel like, wow, so many people are reaching out to me. But at the end of the day, your email inbox is nothing more than an organized system for other people's agenda. Think about that. Your email inbox is nothing more than an organized system for other people's agenda, right? So more on that later on. I show an entire module on how to clean up your cluttered email box, so you treat email as a task rather than as an addiction. But I showed this to Mahesh, and he's right now spending 3 hours every single day with his family. Now I want you to think about this. Be honest. Let's not live in fantasy. In reality, how many hours every single day are you spending with your family? Let's be more specific. How many hours, quality time wise, did you spend with your family today so far? 3 hours? Less than 15 minutes? Less than 1 hour? You cannot lie to yourself. You know the answer. So the question is that enough for your children? Is that enough for your spouse? Do you deserve more? But why are you not there? Because you're not using the right tools and techniques. So when I sit down to map out my week, when I sit down to map out my entire month or days, one of the things I do is I always make sure that I have the right mission with me. For example, you will see there are different things I do on my computer to map out the system, so I know what I'm doing. There are so many plugs. Can you see? That's for my phone, that's for the other person's phone, and because of doing all that, I can completely shift my mindset, spend more time with my family, and you can do the same thing. So I want you to think about this. What could you do if you had 3 extra hours every single day for your family? How would you spend it? At the park? At the home? Having those interesting discussions that you're not having with your spouse? Maybe teaching something new to your child? Maybe teaching yourself something new? Yoga, guitar, dance, chess, speaking? You're missing out a lot by not taking more time for yourself. And one day I want to show you how to be more productive, have more time freedom, and enjoy great time for yourself. And until that day, always remember that public speaking is not about perfection, it's all about connection.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man